Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by installing the Firebase SDK and creating the project. Do that now. Once done, enable Firestore or real-time database in the console because you will choose one data model. Next, copy the config object and make a small client file under /lib/Firebase client. JS that initializes the app and exports get Firestore or get database. This gives you a single importable instance. Make sure to use modular imports from Firebase v9 for tree shaking and smaller bundles. Now you wire Firebase into your Next.js flow. You can read data on the server with get server-side props or create API routes to keep keys server-side. This improves security. On the client, import your initialized instance and use Firestore functions like collection, doc, get docs on snapshot inside use effect so UI updates live. Also, load config from Next public and vars for public fields, while keeping admin or secret keys only in server environment variables to avoid accidental exposure. Finish by implementing writes and deploying. Use batched writes or transactions when multiple documents must update atomically. Deploy on Versal or your host and set environment variables in the dashboard. Make sure client keys use Next public. When something breaks, first inspect the browser console and network tab for permission errors, then verify your Firestore or real-time database security rules. If rules block access, adjust them carefully. Finally, test locally with an authenticated user to confirm reads and writes behave as expected.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.